I'm Oscar. I'm class of 2029. I'm researching about galaxies and star formation in galaxies. At the start of the summer, my mentor, Karen, she's like, here's some options of things you could work on. And from there, I work with her to choose a direction to develop a project about active galactic nuclei, which is black holes at the centers of galaxies that are sucking in a lot of gas, and there's a lot of radiation coming out of them. And she was like, okay, here are some projects that I think would be interesting for you about how active galactic nuclei affect their host galaxies. From there, it's been just a lot of coding and then just asking questions and doing science, doing all the sort of fun work of, what do I want to find out about these AGN or active galactic nuclei next. One of my favorite things about this summer has been just the feeling of just independence and getting to really drive my own research, because it's just such an awesome feeling of I'm doing science and doing this work and really asking questions. I think at the start of the summer, I was really working on something that was more of a coding project, where I was just trying to figure out what's the best way to code and classify these galaxies. But now that we've done that, it's just all this fun stuff that I get to do of asking all sorts of questions about how are these galaxies losing their star formation? How are these galaxies using up some of their gas mass? What's going on with the black holes at the center? Obviously, space is awesome, and my parents would show me these science shows when I was a kid, and I would watch them and be like, that's so cool. But I also just really like the process of having a cool and complicated problem that I get to work on and learn about. And I think something that I've discovered this summer is how much I just like the process of discovering new things. At some level, no one really knows the things that I'm sort of learning. And that's a really cool feeling of you're discovering new knowledge. I find that so fun. And then just galaxies are pretty cool. Stars are cool, black holes are cool. There's not many reasons not to be interested, I guess.